What's going on, guys? So back with another video today. Nothing too crazy, we're just fishing. Also, I got these shirts coming out soon. Not sure if they'll all look exactly like this, of course different colors and stuff, but might do different designs as well. So yeah, let me know if you want one. Also, what is today? Today's Thursday, so the giveaway is tomorrow. My last video with the mystery tackle box is what I'm giving away. I threw in a couple of extra lures in there. And so if you're interested in a giveaway, I'm gonna do future giveaways. Maybe like some shirts, some poles, some more lures, you know, whatnot. Speaking of poles, I got this Xfinity Pro Lose at Walmart the other day on sale for $45. Originally I think they're like $80, so that was a pretty good deal. And I'm gonna be trying it out today with my Lose speed spool on there. I think this reel was maybe like 80 as well, something like that. So yeah, we're fishing a pond that I've fished before, but I've never filmed here, so something a little new. I'll show you guys. It's got a dock I don't trust. Over here it's pretty shallow. Over that way it's a little deeper, still a little shallow, but it's pretty loaded here. There's some big ones. And let's see, this might be an overkill, but I am taking 4 poles with me as we walk around. First pole, we got on this rattle trap. I don't think I've ever caught a fish on this. I've used it maybe once or twice. And then we're gonna use a fluke with a little spinner on there as well. That's on my open face. And then the new pole, and we got the Googan Squad spinner bait on there. And then the video where I did the budget challenge, got the Ozark Trail with the little rattle trap on there. Also, because there are pretty big bluegill and crappie in here, so hopefully we can get on those. So let's get started. Chunker. Got a decent sized crappie. Right there, bang. The crappie. So I walked all the way down to that side using, you know, caught those 2, but ain't nothing much biting, it seems like. I'm about to try right here for a couple casts and probably start using something else. Oh yeah, there it is. Bluegill. Pretty big one though. There's big ones in here. Oh, missed him. I don't know what that was. Thought he snapped it, but he didn't. Huh. Another one. It's chunky, that one. Alright. Jeez. Come on now, easy. Let me help you. Without peeing on me. How many is that? Is that 5 now? I can't even keep track. I have yet to catch a bass though. Well, I tell y'all something. It's getting hot. I've tried like tons of different lures. The only thing that's been working was that little silver rattle trap, and because I was catching bluegill and crappie. But I don't know, I've been trying different things. Things happen, it happens sometimes. Can't beat yourself up over it. I forgot to mention my old lady's with me. She already went around, she already tried over there. I've seen her catch probably about 5 over there, honestly. And she's been catching bass, but I haven't. All right, what's going on, guys? So I'm currently in my garage right now. It's 2 days after the fishing that you just seen. So I've got a little unfortunate news for those of you that look forward to my videos and, you know, is always wanting to watch them. So I'm going out of state to Illinois for work for a month. I think I'll be leaving the beginning of June, coming back the end of June, which means I won't be able to record or do giveaways, but I'm going to try to record like maybe 4 videos ahead of time and then schedule them to be posted each Friday while I'm gone. That way I get at least 1 a week, and then I will be leaving again the beginning of July, and I won't be back until the beginning of August. So in between that little time frame, I think I'll be home for a week and a half or something. I'll try to record like 4 more videos to do the same thing. So for the shirts, I guess I'm either gonna have to hold off on those for the next 2 months or try to get them ordered and whatnot and try to get them here when I get back, and I could, you know, give some of those out. So yeah, sorry for the news. Like I said, I'm gonna try my best to get 4 videos done before I leave, which I think I have like 2 weeks. So I think I could get it done, just 4 videos, and then 4 more when I get back, and then I should be back for good. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't much. I didn't catch any bass that day. My old lady, she caught like 8, so it is what it is. I mean, I tried, you know, to catch bass. They just wasn't biting for me. Everything I threw wasn't working. So I mean, you've seen that little rattle trap, caught those crappie and perch, so that's all I can do. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks.